Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Facebook. Now, there's a lot to like about this Facebook chart, pun intended. If I zoom out here a little bit, you can see it looks like the Qs. To be honest, QQQ and tech has been rallying off the March lows and hasn't really stopped. That said, Facebook has been going sideways since about the middle of June, just kind of chewing around, consolidating this nice move to the upside. Now, here's what I like about this chart. This chart has clearly defined levels. It has a clearly defined level of resistance up here at 241. We haven't been able to get above 241 and break into blue sky territories, but it also has a clearly defined level of support. You can see down here, right around that 223 level, stocks really found support at that level. It had a few chances to break down, and every time it came down here, the buyers came in and supported it. So here's what I want to see on this chart. I want to see a break above 241 on volume. Now, of course, zooming out here, that would bring Facebook into blue sky territories, and there would be, little to no resistance above. If I zoom in a little closer and break things down to an hourly chart, here's what I like about this hourly chart. Where it goes up on high volume, pulls back on low volume. Goes up again, goes up on high volume, pulls back on low volume. So the buyers are stepping in. Potentially, we are seeing institutional support of this stock, and institutions position themselves for this stock to hit all-time highs. So watch Facebook and have an alert at around 241. And the good thing about trading like this, having a clearly defined level of resistance, is the fact that you'd only want to be long the stock if it breaks above and stays above that key 241 level. If it breaks above and then crashes below, you're obviously wrong and you'd want to close out the trade. But watch Facebook above 241. I know I will be. So I hope that works out for you. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll catch you next time.